Hey guys, got my Billygoat F9 here with the Honda engine. I just wanted to show you the parking brake I just bought for it. This is a Billygoat option. It's about 70 bucks. I purchased mine off of eBay and it was actually sold by Granger's on eBay. It's the parking brake kit. Works on the 9 horse and the 13 horse. That's the model number of it right there. Pretty simple. Basic install, really quick. It works good, pretty much. You've got, this is your brake assembly here. Got a shaft, runs to a bushing to the other side. Got another bushing and washers, and then one of those caps you tap on the end to keep it there. And then you got this bolt here. This is like a stop, basically, so it rolls forward and it just rests on there. Pretty simple to use. When you get to where you want to get it, you push it down like that, and then there you go. And it clamps on the tire just like that. If you want it to come off, you can either like kind of kick it up or pull it back, and now she's off. So this will be incredibly handy because I do a lot of leaf cleanups by myself, and a lot of times I'll set this blower up and then I'll get the steel over there and I'll blow it into the airstream of this blower and really get them out in the woods good. So when you're on an embankment, obviously this just wants to roll all over the place, so having this will be very, very nice. So pretty cool. Simple but effective. So look forward to seeing how this turns out. Yeah, overall this has been an awesome blower. I have used Little Wonder and Billygoats. I bought this one brand new some years ago and I paid the extra money for the Honda engine. I would absolutely recommend getting the Honda. I've only had one Subaru motor. It's on my, actually no, I have two. One is on my generator. That one runs fine. One's on my pressure washer, but just don't think you can go wrong with the Honda engine. Overall longevity. But this is an awesome blower. The only thing that it doesn't do as good as the Little Wonder is blowing forward. They sell you a rubber boot that you can stuff in the end there. Doesn't really work that great. Very hard to put in. But honestly, I've never really found myself wanting to use that to blow air forward. So yeah, been extremely happy with it. I would highly recommend the Billygoat F9 if anyone's looking for one. Really don't see any issue with the plastic housing unless you're smashing this thing off of rocks. I mean, if you're careful with your stuff and take care of it, you're not going to have an issue. So yeah, I've been extremely happy with it. Love this feature. That is ingenious. Works really good. I think Little Wonder does that now too. But all right, just want to do a quick video and show you the brake kit on the Billygoat F9 blower. Thanks for watching, guys.